Hey everyone, so winter is almost here. So I have got some winter wear from Myntra and I have already worn them a lot as I got them last year. So they are tried and tested. The very first one is this beige crop sweatshirt. My size is S in this. I got this for 539 rupees. It is quite crop. It has this fleece underneath this, so quite warm as well. So it looks quite good with the wide leg denims in winters and it comes in almost 7 colors. Love the khaki color of this and the zipper. It goes all the way up and can be worn as mock neck. I get so many compliments when I wear this. So yeah, would definitely rate this a 9 out of 10. So next up we have this another crop sweatshirt. My size is L in this. So usually my size is S, but I got L in this because I really wanted that oversized look and it is crop as well. And luckily it fits me really well, as you can see. So it also has this fleece inside and it is extremely warm because of this. Love the mock neck and the color is absolutely amazing. It comes in two different colors. It is super cozy and definitely worth it. I got this for rupees 362, but one major problem it has that it get that fuzz balls. So yeah, need to be taken care of. Would definitely give this 8 out of 10. Okay, next up we are having is this sage green high neck sweater. Love the bell sleeves in it. My size is S. I got it because of the sleeves actually. I don't like winters at all. So I try to find more pieces with some sort of detailing in it, like the previous sweatshirt I've showed. In that the sleeves were quite huge. So this one is the same, it has these bell sleeves which makes the winter a little bit more fun. I mean the getting ready process. So it is also quite warm as well. So I generally don't go for high neck as I have shorter neck and I feel high neck doesn't look good on me. So I generally go for mock necks, but for this I thought I can go high neck once in a while. So yeah, would definitely rate this a 9 out of 10. Okay, so next up we have is this black stripe jumper. My size is M in this and I got this for rupees 614. This is thinner than the other ones I have showed, but yes, it is quite big. So underneath this I can wear at least two thermals. Again, love the mock neck of it and it looks quite classy and can be worn formally as well. Stripes are always a classic print and it is trending in every season. And these striped sweaters are quite trending on Pinterest and it also comes under capsule wardrobe. So quite versatile. Would definitely rate this a solid 9 out of 10. Okay, next up we have is this teddy jacket. My size is S in this and I got it for rupees 1052. Again, I got it for the sleeves as well as the fabric, as this is the most warmest and trendiest fabric for quite some time now, and I love the olive green color of this. Such a fall winter color. I feel like olive green looks more classy in winter wear. So yeah, I love how it fits on me. It is a bit oversized, but yes, I totally love it and I wear it almost every day. So would definitely rate this a 10 on 10. Okay, so last up we have is this black solid puffer jacket. My size is S in this. I got this for rupees 591. Love the shiny fabric it has. It makes you look stylish on a blink of an eye, and also on harsh winters a puffer is a must have for sure. It is quite warm and trendy as well. So I wanted to invest on a good puffer like matte puffer jacket, which I'm still finding, but this one is also really good. Would definitely rate this a 9 out of 10 and I have worn this quite a lot as well. So yeah. So this is the Myntra winterwear haul. Do let me know which one you like the most. We'll see you guys in my next one. Till then, bye.